But growth does not always come in a big step.
Hi guys! Ako pala si So, short for Bunso. Tara, sama ka na. Ito pa rin ang ating pangarap.
This is day 14 of 365 journey, creating the best version of myself. Kung may pangarap ka, tara, ito pa rin natin. Let's go! Sometimes we look discouraged because progress looks slow. We think, I am not improving fast enough. I should farther by now. I'm not good at this. But growth does not always come in a big step. Often it begins small, quiet moment of learnings. A little understanding today, a small effort tonight, a short practice when you feel tired. And those small things matter more than you think. The Bible gently reminds us in Proverbs 1 verse 15. Let the wise listen and add to their learning, and let the discerning get guidance. Notice the word, add to their learnings. Not master everything at once, just add little by little. God does not expect perfection from you overnight. He delights your willingness to grow. Even if today you only learn one new idea, even if you are only improved by one small habit, even you are only tired for a few minutes, that is still progress. In Zechariah 4 verse 10, it says, do not be despised this small beginning, for the Lord rejoices to see your work begin. Small begins matter to God. Quiet effort matters. Hidden growth matters. You don't have to compare your paces with others. You don't have to pressure yourself to be amazing right away. Just be faithful today. Learn one lesson. Practice one skill. Take one step. Because consistently, even in small amount, leads to transformation over a time. So today, choose progress over perfection. Choose patience over pressure. Choose learning over fear. Let this be your gently reminder. Every small effort counts. Every small lesson matters. And every small step bring you closer to the person of God shaping you to become. Keep going, keep learning, even just a little each day. Stay positive mind and stay humble. See you tomorrow.